We host an annual sold-out conference every year. This year was really about celebrating women in Las Vegas who are trailblazers in the hospitality and culinary industry while bringing together our members from all across the country, which was a way for all of us to meet and build that community that MAPP is known for, where you could have one-on-one access with chefs and restaurateurs to get to hear from industry leaders on how they have excelled in their careers. From driving profitability, making smart financial decisions, how childcare is a national imperative for our country's economy. So we're really connecting the dots between better business practices as well as long overdue policy change. The most rewarding part is getting to have students here, and then emerging talent and established talent alike who are coming from all the resorts and casinos here in Las Vegas. The reason MAPP knows it's so important to bring people together in a conference like this is that we can create and build stronger community with one another so that we can extend the resources that are so important to grow and scale our careers and businesses, but also have some fun and enjoy one another and celebrate trailblazers and people who are doing incredible work in the hospitality and culinary industry. So this was such a great event. But it's really not about one event, it's our work throughout the year on your behalf. So join MAPP, become an engaged member, so that together we can really transform the culinary and hospitality landscape to be a more inclusive and thriving community where every woman can reach their full potential.